This is a video of the coil ready to accept the furnace. I've got foam insulation all around the panel. The panel's been attached with mastic. I cleaned the coil earlier with a coil cleaner and a tool that straightens the fins. And the insulation on the top was falling down, so you can see it. I put a piece of sheet metal on the top to keep the insulation from coming down in the coil. So that was necessary. There's a lot of insulation that's falling down and blocking the air on this coil. So I cleaned it up, straightened the fins, and so now it's ready for the furnace. I'm going to try to back out and see what's going on. So I'm going to slide the furnace up to it and made it to this round collar. And it should fit right on there, and then I'll tape it up, seal it up, and the air side will be done, except for the return. The return's behind me. Can't see a whole lot back there. I'm going to replace that flex with a piece of solid metal, and don't have far to go. It's like less than 4 or 5 feet. So. And that whole return duct's not insulated, so I'm going to insulate that. If you see that, so it's not insulated from the flex all the way back to the plenum. I don't know if it's sealed very well, but I'll probably seal it up too. So still a lot of work to go. All right, that's all for now.